sila. This freedom of expression, this is the bloodline of a democracy. Huwag ninyong isusurrender yan. At ano pa yung itinuro ni President Duterte sa atin? Ang itinuro niya, my favorite quote of President Duterte, hindi kayo special. Mga trabahante lang kayo sa gobyerno. Kami ang nagpapasweldo sa inyo. So we are recalibrating that relationship right now. Pinapaalala natin sa mga opisyal natin sa gobyerno that this is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Alalahanin ninyo yan. And the people in Congress right now who think you are untouchable and that you are so powerful and that you are so drunk with power, you are very weak. Because you need to threaten, you need to humiliate, you need to oppress and violate our rights in order for us to go to you. Unlike President Duterte, we spend out of pocket to be with him. We follow him. We obey him, we respect him because he has earned our trust. You know why? Because hindi siya abusado. Totoong nagsilbi sa Pilipino si President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He is a very strong leader na hindi na kailangan ang tsapa, hindi na kailangan ang titulo. Nakuha niya ang pagmamahal at respeto ng Pilipino dahil hindi siya nagnakaw. Hindi siya parte ng vice cam na yan. Hindi siya parte ng pinaka-corrupt na budget sa Pilipino na ninanakawan nyo ang pinakamahihirap na Pilipino. Corruption kills. Ang dami na ninyong pinatay. Yung mga public hospitals natin, yung mga batang nagkakasakit na walang vaccines na pinagnanakaw ninyo because you just have to have your 3 million watches, 3 million peso watches, your vulgar bags, ugly faces of your wives that are plastic surgery. So, this is all that I have to say. Pilipino ang magtuturo sa inyo kung sino ang totoong may kapangyarihan dito. Leading towards an election year, we will teach you a lesson. And we are also asking, we are also very grateful that in this dark chapter of our country's history, we still have this last recourse, the last bastion of our democracy, the Supreme Court. Thank you.